Hello and welcome to this Xpres Technical training video. Today we're going to be looking at running the print and cut alignment on the Mimaki CJV150 series. However, this also works on the Mimaki CJV300 and the Mimaki UCJV as well. Now we are in Rasterlink 6. Firstly, we need to bring in a print and cut job. You can do this from going to File and Open and bringing in any print and cut file that you may have. You can now go to the General Print tab, which is this green tab on the right hand side, and you can go to Cut Edit. Normally you will see Image Edit, which is this one here, but if you click at the tab at the top, you'll get to the Cut Edit tab. From within here we need to go to Print and Cut Origin Adjust. Providing your cut force is correct for the media that you're going to be using, tick Add Register Mark and then press OK. This will send the print and cut adjustment to the printer. Once you've printed your print and cut alignment test from Mimaki Rasterlink 6, we can then use the CJV to input the correct values. Firstly, we need to click Function 1 and go into the Adjust options. Then, at the bottom of this list, we can go to TP Offset. This will scroll forward the media, and we can then begin to weed out the two sections. So I'm going to start off with the top section, X, and then I'm going to weed out Y as well. Now we have those removed, we can now choose the best value. So with the TP Detect Offset, the way I choose the correct value is by having a look at, say for example, the X over here is really far out. You see there's a lot of magenta on the bottom. So the further we go into the center, the more likely it is you find the best one, which in our example here is 0. I know this because there's a small amount of magenta on the bottom and a small amount of magenta on the top. So I'm not going to change the X value. The Y value, however, is also 0, but I can see more magenta on the left of the 0 than I can on the right, and there's a lot more magenta on the right of the 1. Now the beauty of the TP Detect Offset is you can choose a number in between these two. So perhaps I'll go for a number such as 0.2 for this particular section. With those values in mind, we can then input the values on the screen here. So I think X was 0, which is perfectly fine, but the offset Y we said was 0.2. Once you press enter on the screen, your print and cut alignment values will now be set. The machine should now be calibrated. As an example, if your value on your print and cut alignment was 1, you would input the value on the screen 0.1. If the value was in between 1 and 2, you would input the value 0.15. Then press enter and the machine should then be calibrated. After this, you can run a print and cut test job to ensure the machine is printing and cutting accurately.